Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about finance. The topic that is about equivalent nominal rate. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that the annual interest rate of 5%, but they want to find about monthly compounding. So monthly compounding in this situation, that is about n equal to number 12, or they repeat 12 times per year. So the formula of this one, that should be like this. So we know that R that's about 5%, and that's about number 12. Minus number 1. So we calculate this one and we have 5.12%. Now, for more information, if this one that is about quarterly, so you need to use about n equals to number 4, semi-annually. So we need to use about n equals to number 2. And that is the information. This is the end. Thank you for watching.